iPhone 26's Photos app just got a game-changing upgrade. Auto-detect concerts and sports with set lists and scores. Ready to relive your memories? Let's dive in. Welcome to GadInsider, your tech news hotspot. Today we're unpacking the iOS 26 Photo app's epic new features. Unveiled at WWDC 25 on June 10, 2025, iOS 26's Photos app now auto-identifies events like concerts and sports. It pulls details like set lists, scores, and venues, turning your snaps into rich memory hubs. Released July 4th, this update makes your Photos app smarter than ever. Here's how it works. Open a photo from an event, spot the new ticket button, and tap it. For concerts, you get the set list, artists, venue, playlist, and upcoming shows. For sports, it shows scores, locations, and next games. These events also get named memories in the Collections tab. This feature adds context to your memories, making them more vivid. Imagine revisiting a concert with its exact set list or a game with the final score. It's not just photos, it's a storytelling upgrade, pulling data from Apple Music and Calendar for a seamless experience. With 2 billion iPhone users, the Photos app is a daily staple. X-fans are buzzing, calling this a memory game changer. It's a small but delightful addition, enhancing how 80% of users relive moments, and it sets the stage for more AI-driven iOS 26 features. Apple's leaning into AI to make photos smarter, with more features likely coming in iOS 26.1. Expect deeper integrations with Apple Intelligence for even richer memories. Stay tuned for updates as Apple keeps innovating.